Okay, so part A, we have already found the number of Chinese and Korean songs as 300. Now let's take a look at part B. Okay, part B, sorry, the example naming here is not correct. You refer to your own worksheet. Okay, if James wants to hear an English song 50% of each time he shuffles the songs, how many more English songs must he upload into his playlist? Okay, so now we know that there are 200 English songs, and then after that, number of Chinese and Korean songs is 300. In order to have a probability of 50%, that means the probability is half, correct? So that means, okay, how many English songs must he have? Wait out. Okay, we classify the Chinese and Korean together. Sorry, give me a minute. Okay, so what we will do, okay, we need to add some more English songs, right? Okay, so we let the number of English songs be y to be added. Okay, so if I add in y number of English songs, that means how many English songs will I have now? Originally I have 200 English songs, so now I'll add y. So how many English songs do I have now? 200 plus y, right? Okay, then how many songs are there in total? 500, but that was before, right? Okay, in part A we found that there's total of 500 songs. So how many would there be now? 500 plus y. We want the probability of choosing an English song to be 50%, which is half. So that means 200 plus y over 500 plus y is equals to half. Agree? Okay, then after that we solve to find out what is y by cross multiplying. Okay, such that I will have 2y minus y equals to 500 minus 400. So y is equals to 100. Okay, so now therefore, right now that y is equals to 100, then we know that we just need to add another 100 more English songs. We look at the last example. It says that there is a container having a lot of marbles. We have 120 red, green, and blue marbles, so that's in total. Okay, the probability of drawing a red marble and a green marble, drawing in the sense that you take okay, it's not saying you're drawing literally. Okay, so drawing a red marble and a green marble from the box are 1/5 and 1/6 respectively. So let us write down that piece of information. Probability of red is 1/5. probability of green is 1 over 6. Okay, in part A, we want to find the number of blue marbles in the box. Right? How do you think we can find the number of blue marbles in the box? What do you think? The woman with the bag on the left is now guilty. Answer my question. So how do you think we can find the number of blue marbles in the box? Okay, for what? Minus 120. Now 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6. Then minus 120. You need to differentiate between what is considered concrete numbers, okay, number of items, and also probability. Can we find the probability of getting a blue marble? How do I find that? What color marbles are there in the box? What kind of colors are there in the box, Janice? There are 3 colors, so there's red, green, and blue, right? I now already know what is the probability for red, what's the probability of green, so what would the probability of blue actually be? 1 over 3. How do you get it? Yes, is it?
1 minus 1 over.
Okay, we take 1 whole minus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 6. Good. Okay, and that will be equals to what? Is it? 19. So I realized I did a different method here. 1 minus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 6. 19 over 30. Okay, so yesterday we said that the probability is actually a representation of the proportion, okay, of the number of marbles in the box. Alright, so how do I find the number of blue marbles in the box? What can we do with the 19 over 30? Times 120. We take 19 over 30 times 120. And we will get 76. Okay. Next, in part B, when X blue marbles are moved from the box, the probability of drawing a blue marble from the remaining marbles in the box becomes 7 over 18. So now the number of blue marbles are being reduced. Okay. So how many blue marbles are there now? The man that is sleeping, can you answer the question? I never say your name. It's time for you to admit yourself. Second column, fourth person. Number of blue marbles is, we remove X number already. So how many is there left? One minus X. You mean there was 1 marble and you minus X marbles, so how many marbles will there be? You think it makes sense? There was 1 marble and you minus X number of marbles. So 130 minus X. I'm asking how many blue marbles are there now? How many blue marbles were there before? So now got how many? 76 minus X. Okay, Okay, so now got 76 minus x. Now we want to change the probability of drawing a blue marble to now become 7 over 18. Okay, probably are drawing a blue marble from the remaining marbles. So before we can actually express an equation that looks something like that, okay, we need to know how many marbles are there in total now. Okay, Glenn, how many marbles are there in total now? How many marbles did I have before in total? Yeah, so total number of marbles now is 120 minus x. So now I can form my equation to match with the probability. Okay, which will be 76 minus x over 120 minus x equals to 7 over 18. Okay, then we cross multiply. Find that x is equals to 48. Right? Are there any questions? Okay. Due to time factor, okay, for practice 13B from your workbook, I will not be able to do it in class, but I just want you to do your homework. Okay, so exercise 13B, you can practice the workbook questions on your own time. Okay, so homework exercise 13B is a textbook. Workbook you do at your own time. You got questions, you can come and ask me. Okay, then do these questions by next week, due on Tuesday. Okay, because Monday is a W3, right? So due on Tuesday. Okay? Okay? Okay, then after that, next Tuesday, I will need you to bring another chapter from your workbook. Okay, we will be moving into chapter 12. So bring chapter 12 workbook.
And chapter 12.
Volume and surface area.
Oh, the whole none.
Yes. Okay, bring chapter 12 workbook on Tuesday. Alright?